Okay, hey everybody, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com and optionmarketmentor.com now too. So AI, this thing was like Icarus a few days ago. You can see it broke out. Everybody's, if you're trading at all, you were aware of this. This had a huge breakout here on massive volume, and I'll be the first to say I really looked at this absent this big move here before this happened. And, I was seeing this as a really, really nice move with a lot of potential for even higher prices. I was not really thinking about the possibility that somebody's going to publish an article, whether it's true or not. I don't know. You got to just pay attention to the market, where they're going to publish an article accusing the company of, shall we just say, accounting irregularities. It was a pretty scathing letter, and it took a day for C3 AI to come back and say, well, that's all fantasy and you're basing it on some suppositions, blah, 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 all that stuff. But the fact remains that this stock is down significantly, like almost 40% from where this high was. Now, we've seen this before a few times. However, here it is. Here's what I think. Here's what I'm looking for. I think the stock is actually finding support right about where it is now. You can see it 21-ish, that type thing. But 20 bucks sure seems like the more logical level of support. It's where it bottomed, several times before. I would even say this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 different days when we've had this pullback, and then it's found support. So I would really, really look hard at this as a potential level of support again tomorrow. I look at this as kind of a bounce play. You could call it a dead cat bounce if you want to. I don't want to piss off the SPCA, so I'll just say it's a bounce play. You see this massive volume yesterday. Now, this volume today is still about twice average volume, but I'll pull this back and let's just see where the last 20 days of volume is, which really just kind of takes into account this. So this is still massive volume today, but compared to yesterday, it was over 100 million. Today it's 52. So this is half the volume that we had yesterday. Also, the range is less. So this was a big, massive dump. This is like a guy who overeats too much at a chili cook-off. It was that kind of dump, 26, and then just another 14 today. So, not a big pullback relative to the prior day. So I look at this 20 buck level as an area where you might consider taking some stock. Now, don't be doing it with this hope. Hope isn't a good trading strategy, though it is a very common one. Instead, look at this as a potential to buy the stock and then put on what I call a covered straddle. First, you got to make sure the stock rebounds. You don't just want to do this on a falling knife, because 15 looks like damn good support too. But you wait for the stock to bounce. Then you buy the stock. You can sell a $20 put and a $20 call. You get plenty of premium because that's right at the money. And then you've got a really, really nice trade where your cost basis on the stock can be really, really low as long as the stock rebounds. And if it doesn't rebound, you still get to keep that premium. You're just going to have to buy more of it at the $20 level. So anyway, this is the type of trade that I'm putting on at Option Market Mentor. I have had other people doing trades on Option Market Mentor, but due to popular demand, I'm back, so I'm doing it myself. Hope you'll check it out. And that's all I got for you today. All right. Have a good one. I will see you next time.